Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin with a simple and beautiful dot mandala in the 16-inch board. I'll keep white dot in the center. I'll keep tiny white dots. I'll keep yellow dots. I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep green dots. I'll keep tiny dots in green. I'll keep yellow dots now. I'll keep dots in white. I'll walk the dots in white. I'll keep green dots. I'll keep brush strokes in green. I'll keep yellow dots. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some swipes in yellow. I'll keep yellow dots in oval shape. I'll keep white dots. I'll walk the dots in white. I'll keep some more dots in white. I'll keep brush strokes in green. I'll keep brush strokes in yellow. I'll keep green dots in drop shape. I'll keep some more swipes in green. I'll keep some dots in green. I'll keep some more green dots. I'll keep tiny dots in green. I'll keep yellow dots. I'll keep tiny dots in yellow. I'll keep green dots in oval shape. I'll keep white dots. I'll work the dots in white. I'll keep brush strokes in yellow. I'll keep some brush strokes in green. I'll keep some brush strokes in yellow. I'll keep some brush strokes in green. I'll keep white dots in drop shape. I'll keep green dots in drop shape. I'll keep yellow dots in drop shape. This simple and bright mandala is done. Thank you for watching.